Scene summary. This is an interactive sim. Descriptions change as you play with it. It has a play area and control panel. In the play area you find the equation for Ohm's law, V equals I times R, and a circuit. Voltage and resistance sliders allow changes to the equation and circuit. In the control panel, buttons mute sound or reset the sim. Ohm's law, the circuit heading level 3, a pair of wires connect a list with bullet resistor shows a medium amount of impurity. Bullet varies out of list with 2 items. Bullet R, resistance slider R, resistance out of list play area. Ohm's law equation voltage V is equal to current I times resistance R. In equation, letter V. V voltage slider for 5.0 volts. As letter V grows, letter I grows. 5.5 volts. As letter V grows, letter I grows. Current now 12.5 milliamps. R resistance slider 440 ohms. 460 ohms. As letter R grows, letter I shrinks. Current now 12.0 milliamps. V voltage slider 5.5 volts. V 3 as letter V 2.0 volt 1.0 volts 0.5 volts 0.1 volt. R resistance slider 420 ohms 220 ohms 240 ohms 480 ohms 540 ohms 960 ohms. Control panel mute heading play bullet B out of list heading level 3 slider control list with 3 items. Bullet resistor shows a huge amount of impurities. Bullet battery supply 0.1 volts. Out of list a pair of wires heading level 3 the circuit. A pair of wires connect a resistor to a series of batteries. An equation letter voltage V heading level 3 Ohm's law equation. A pair of list with 3 items. Bullet resistor shows a huge amount of impurity. Bullet tiny arrows indicate a current flowing clockwise at 0.1 milliamps. Out of list heading level 3 slider controls. Voltage and resistance sliders allow changes to equations and circuits list with 2 items. Bullet B bullet R bullet V voltage 0.5 volt. 8.5 volts. As letter V shrinks, letter I shrinks. R resistance slider 1. 980 ohms. 220 ohms. 200 ohms. Control panel mute heading level 2 control panel. Out of list voltage and heading level 3 slider controls. List with 3 items. Bullet huge arrows indicate a current flowing clockwise at 900.0 milliamps. Bullet resistor shows a tiny amount of impurities. Bullet batteries supply 9.0 volts. Out of list a pair of wires connect a resistor to a series of batteries. Heading level 3 the circuit. In equation, letter V is much smaller than letter I and much larger than letter R.
This is an interactive sim. Descriptions change as you play with it. It has a play area and control panel. In the play area you find the resistance equation R equals rho times L over A and a piece of wire. Sliders for resistivity, length, and area allow changes to the equation and the piece of wire. The control panel has a button to reset the sim. Currently, list with 4 items. Bullet resistance R is 0.667 ohms. Bullet resistivity rho is 0.50 ohm centimeters. Bullet length L is 10.00 centimeters. Bullet area A is 7.50 centimeters squared. Out of list look for resistivity, length, and area sliders to play or read on for details about equation and wire. If needed, check out keyboard shortcuts for the sim. Heading level 2 play area. Heading level 3 resistance equation. Resistance R is equal to resistivity rho times length L over area A. Size of letter R is comparable to the size of the letter O, letter L, and letter A. Heading level 3 the wire. Currently wire is of medium length, of medium thickness, and has a medium amount of impurities. Resistance 0.667 ohms. .00 centimeters squared. As letter A grows, letter R shrinks. Resistance now 0.625 ohms.
Giving me really great feedback on what's happening as I increase, for example, the area.
9.00 centimeters squared. As letter A grows, letter R shrinks. Resistance now 0.556 ohms.
So I'm going to decrease that back to normal.
7.00 centimeters squared.
Try playing with length.
L length slider 10. 11.00 centimeters. As letter L grows, letter R grows.
It's interesting
Resistance.
how the pitch of the tone changes as you play with the various items in the equation.
12.00 centimeters. As letter L grows, letter R grows. Resistance now 0.857 ohms. 13.00 centimeters. As letter L, 14.99, 16.98 centimeters. As 11.0, 9.0, 3.05 centimeters.
Awesome
Rho resistivity slider 0.50 ohm centimeters.
I changed this one.
0.60 ohm centimeters. As letter O grows, letter R grows. Resistance now 0.261 ohms. 0.80 ohm centimeters. As letter O grows, letter R 0.60 ohm, 0.50 ohm centimeters. As letter O shrinks, letter R shrinks. Resistance now 0.218 ohm.